S56 series, available from 1/2 inch to 2 inch BSP. They're a 316 stainless steel valve with bite-on seats, suitable for a wide variety of applications, from petrochemical through to hot waters. They're normally open, energised to close, and they require minimum differential of 0.5 bar, so they're 0.5 to 10 bar pressure range. I have an IP65 coil and a connector plug which lights up when there's power on there, LED connector plug. There's a bypass tube which I just start to undo. On the base here there is an arrow showing the direction of flow, inlet, outlet. What happens in principle is that the media goes in here through a bleed hole in the diaphragm and out through this tube and downstream. Because the bleed hole, the pressure on the diaphragm pushes the pressure in the media pushes the diaphragm open, allows the main flow to take place. When the coil is energised, it cuts that flow off, which allows the pressure to push back down on the diaphragm with the differential, closes it off. So the valve is opened and closed by the media pressure, basically through the bypass of this tube. Take it apart and show you how it operates. This valve is also suitable for corrosive applications. Here we have the operator itself, which is a rather special type operator, which allows the function to work in a normally open condition. I'll show you the workings of the internal of the valve. We have the operator assembly. There's a spring to assist the diaphragm to close. There is a bite-on seat and a metal-to-metal face, so there's 2 sealing points in this top of this valve. We have the operator tube. I've already loosened off these seats. Once again, the bite-on seat and the metal-to-metal face. And here's the armature, which has a seat at the bottom which is not used, but there's the seat at the top that sits on a jet up in the top of the valve. And normally that's down like that with the spring. When the coil is energised, it goes up, which cuts the jet off from the top, and that's the interruption of the flow through the valve. So when it's energised, that goes through there, cuts the jet off, which then pushes the main valve assembly down and closes it. Release, liquid bypasses, valve opens. Valve assembly. There is a bite-on seat here which seals the main valve cap down there. Take this apart. Inside here there's a seat, and the bite-on seat sits on the main valve body here. The liquid comes through here over the top of the diaphragm assembly, through the bleed hole, which is just in here, little bleed hole down through the diaphragm, and it's either relieved down through the bypass, which pushes the diaphragm open with the media, it lifts the diaphragm assembly up like that, allows the liquid to go through. When that flow is interrupted on the top by energising the solenoid, pushes back down and closes the valve off.